Hi, everyone, welcome to the Learning channel. Now what you are seeing is the chapter overview of this video, which contains 6 sections. Firstly, what's the configurator? It will give you a comprehensive introduction about this tool. Secondly, advantages of configurator. Here you will learn its key benefits. Thirdly, the summary of configurator. This part will offer detailed content displayed on each page. Fourthly, introduction of the configuration cable. Here you will explore the functions and unique features of the wonderful configuration cable. And then, configurator detailed operating instructions. In this part, it will guide you through the process of configuring your device, which is online. Finally, about FAQ, you will find answers about configurator. So, let's begin our learning journey now. Configurator is a premier and leader tool of software solution designed for viewing, configuring, and testing a series of smart terminals. It features true plug-and-play functionality, offering you a straightforward and user-friendly experience. Key features of configurator. 1. Seamless remote configuration. 2. Comprehensive parameter setting. 3. Intuitive visual management. 4. Intelligent maintenance tools. 5. Plug-and-play functionality. 6. Localizable firmware updates. For example, for the display of trackers, dashcams, MDVRs, and sensors, it can provide you with clearer understanding. Firstly, it automatically detects and connects devices, which eliminates complex procedures of parameters configuration. And it is also a single software for all devices. Through Configurator, it can achieve the goal of product testing and maintenance. In addition, it identifies and updates the new versions automatically without manual updates of installation separately. Then, for a lot of remote configuration, users can simply import the files of data generated by this software into PhotoWeb. Finally, we also increase interesting functions in it. Users can customize the logo, which enhances their sense of ownership with this software. And languages of the voice about the device can be chosen among many alternatives. Next, let me introduce it briefly. Configurator is composed of device info, basic settings, AI settings, video settings, camera debug, personalize, debug and logs. Device info mainly shows basic device information, GNSS information, GPS information, etc. After basic settings, AI settings, and video settings are finished, just clicking Save to Device is OK. For batch configuration of multiple devices, just click Save to File to save the file at the location, and then click Load from File to import the file, which enables batch configuration. It provides users with immediate insight about the connected device. Basic Settings handles the configuration of parameters, such as the device's online IP address, ports, time zone, and data upload intervals, etc., as well as the settings of alarm thresholds for events like overspeed, harsh acceleration and sharp turns, etc. In addition, AI settings includes ADAS, DMS and other algorithm settings. ADAS can detect vehicle collisions, lane departure, etc. DMS focuses on monitoring the driver's state, such as fatigue, distraction, etc. Video settings contains configuring the video, watermark, and other relevant parameters. Interestingly, in Personalize, Clients can customize their brand logos in Configurator and voice broadcast language and devices. Camera debug can verify whether the camera is functioning properly by clicking, read, and users can save the picture when the picture appears. Finally, debug and logs allows for the detection of device logs. In the event of a failure of parameters configuration, the log information can be traced and saved as a document which can be sent to our technical support engineers. Notably, Configurator also has two important functions at the top of the page, including MCU firmware and AirConfig. The MCU firmware is primarily responsible for updating localizable firmware and retrieving device logs. And AirConfig enables remote parameters configuration directly via the Photo web platform without the configuration cable. Just using your Photo account and password or device ID, and ICC ID to log in. Configuration cable. It's a tool for device to computer connection. First, this configuration cable features a standard USB connector for the computer and a Type-C connector for the device, ensuring broad compatibility. Second, it supports 3 serial ports protocols, enabling automatic recognition of different devices through a single cable. And it is plug and play on Windows 10, or the version is above 10, as well as macOS systems with driver-free operation. Then, it simultaneously supports Configurator for parameters configuration, SoC debugging. Finally, now we show you parameters of the configuration cable. Product demonstration. Card installation demonstration. Connect the configuration cable. Go live demonstration of EH15V2 in Configurator.